Consider the vastness of the cosmos. The universe, an expanse so immense, stretches beyond our wildest imaginations. It's a realm filled with countless wonders, from the swirling galaxies to the mysterious black holes, each playing a part in the grand cosmic ballet. Billions of galaxies stretch out before us, each teeming with stars and planets. These celestial bodies, some light years away, hold secrets and mysteries that have fascinated humanity for centuries. The sheer scale of the universe is humbling, reminding us of our tiny place within it. Yet, right here on Earth, a microscopic enemy poses a formidable challenge: Glioblastoma multiforme, or GBM. This aggressive brain tumor, though minuscule in size, is a formidable adversary. Under the microscope, its cells appear chaotic and relentless, a stark contrast to the orderly dance of the cosmos. This aggressive brain tumor, a mere speck in the grand scheme of the universe, carries the power to devastate lives. Surgeons battle it with precision and skill, navigating the delicate terrain of the human brain. Each operation is a race against time, a fight to preserve the essence of who we are. GBM is a stark reminder of our own mortality. As the sun sets and we reflect on our lives, we are reminded of the fragility of our existence. This tiny terror forces us to confront our deepest fears and vulnerabilities, making us cherish each moment we have. It highlights the fragility of life even as we explore the wonders of the universe. Astronauts venture into the unknown, seeking answers to the mysteries of space, while back on Earth, scientists and doctors work tirelessly to understand and combat GBM. The contrast between these two pursuits underscores the delicate balance of life and death. Despite its minuscule size, GBM's impact is immeasurable, leaving families heartbroken and researchers tirelessly searching for a cure. In labs around the world, scientists dedicate their lives to finding a solution, driven by the hope of alleviating the suffering caused by this relentless disease. Families, meanwhile, hold on to each other, finding strength in their shared love and resilience. So, what exactly is glioblastoma multiforme? Glioblastoma multiforme, often abbreviated as GBM, is one of the most aggressive and deadly forms of brain cancer. It primarily affects adults, although it can occur at any age. This type of cancer is known for its rapid growth and its ability to infiltrate surrounding brain tissue, making it particularly challenging to treat. GBM is a type of tumor that originates in the brain's glial cells. These glial cells are crucial as they provide support and protection for neurons, the primary cells responsible for transmitting information throughout the nervous system. When these glial cells become cancerous, they lose their ability to function properly and begin to grow uncontrollably. These cells are the support system of the central nervous system, providing nourishment and insulation to neurons. Neurons rely on glial cells for their survival and efficient functioning. Without the support of healthy glial cells, neurons can become damaged, leading to a variety of neurological issues. When glial cells turn cancerous, they multiply uncontrollably, forming a tumor that invades and destroys healthy brain tissue. This invasion disrupts the normal functioning of the brain, leading to symptoms such as headaches, seizures, and cognitive difficulties. The aggressive nature of GBM means that it can quickly spread to other parts of the brain, making it difficult to contain. GBM is classified as a high-grade tumor, meaning it grows and spreads quickly. High-grade tumors are more dangerous because they are more likely to recur after treatment. Despite advances in medical technology and treatment options, the prognosis for GBM remains poor, with most patients surviving only 12 to 15 months after diagnosis. Its aggressive nature makes it extremely difficult to treat, leaving patients and their families facing a daunting prognosis. The emotional and psychological impact on patients and their loved ones is profound, as they navigate the complexities of treatment options, potential side effects, and the uncertainty of the future. Support from medical professionals, family and friends is crucial in helping them cope with this challenging journey. One of the most challenging aspects of GBM is its rapid growth. The tumor cells divide at an alarming rate, quickly infiltrating surrounding brain tissue. This makes surgical removal extremely difficult as the tumor often extends beyond what is visible on imaging scans. Adding to the complexity, GBM cells are highly resistant to traditional treatments like chemotherapy and radiation. These therapies often shrink the tumor initially, but GBM has a knack for adapting and recurring, often with a vengeance. Despite these challenges, researchers are making strides in the fight against GBM. Clinical trials are underway to test new drugs and treatment combinations. Scientists are exploring innovative approaches such as immunotherapy, which harnesses the body's own immune system to attack cancer cells. While a cure remains elusive, these advancements offer a glimmer of hope for GBM patients and their families. Immunotherapy, unleashing the body's defenses. One of the most promising areas of GBM research is immunotherapy. This innovative field is transforming the way we think about cancer treatment. Instead of relying solely on traditional methods like surgery, radiation, or chemotherapy, immunotherapy harnesses the power of the body's own immune system to fight the disease. This revolutionary approach involves using the body's own immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells. By training the immune system to identify cancer cells as threats, immunotherapy can target and eliminate these cells more effectively, and with fewer side effects than conventional treatments. Our immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that constantly patrol the body, seeking out and eliminating threats. It is designed to protect us from infections and diseases, but sometimes, cancer cells can evade detection. Immunotherapy aims to overcome this challenge by enhancing the immune system's ability to detect and destroy cancer cells. Immunotherapy for GBM works by educating the immune system to identify and attack tumor cells. This can be done through various strategies, such as using vaccines to stimulate an immune response, employing checkpoint inhibitors to remove the brakes on the immune system, or adopting cell transfer techniques to boost the number of cancer-fighting cells in the body. This can be achieved through various methods, such as vaccines, checkpoint inhibitors, and adoptive cell transfer. Each of these methods has its own unique way of enhancing the immune system's ability to fight cancer. Vaccines can be designed to target specific cancer antigens, while checkpoint inhibitors can help unleash the full potential of immune cells. Adoptive cell transfer involves engineering a patient's own immune cells to better recognize and attack cancer cells. These therapies are showing promise in clinical trials, offering a ray of hope in the fight against this devastating disease. Patients who previously had limited treatment options are now seeing new possibilities for managing their condition. As research continues, the potential for immunotherapy to revolutionize cancer treatment becomes increasingly clear, bringing us one step closer to a future where cancer can be effectively controlled or even cured. The future of GBM treatment. The future of GBM treatment lies in a multi-pronged approach, combining traditional therapies like surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation with cutting-edge techniques like immunotherapy holds the key to improving patient outcomes. Personalized medicine, tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup and tumor characteristics, is another exciting avenue of research. By understanding the intricacies of GBM, researchers can develop more effective and targeted therapies, ultimately leading to a brighter future for those affected by this disease. Knowledge is power, stay informed. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of GBM, it is crucial for everyone to stay informed about the latest research and treatment options. Knowledge empowers patients and their families to make informed decisions about their care. By engaging in open dialogues with healthcare providers, participating in clinical trials, and supporting organizations dedicated to GBM research, we can collectively contribute to the fight against this devastating disease. The importance of continued research. Continued research is paramount to finding a cure for GBM. Funding for scientific exploration is essential to fuel the development of innovative treatments and therapies. By investing in research, we are investing in hope for GBM patients and their families. Every breakthrough, no matter how small, brings us one step closer to a future where GBM is no longer a death sentence. We are Stardust, and we will prevail. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, GBM may seem like an insignificant foe, yet its impact on human lives is profound. We must remember that we too are made of star stuff, capable of extraordinary resilience and innovation. With unwavering determination, continued research, and the collective will of the scientific community, we will unravel the mysteries of GBM and pave the way for a brighter future for all.